In this Teamwork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your leave in a calendar format. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Leave. You should arrive at your My Leave page, which is a chart of all of your leave requests. To go to the calendar format, click All in your new top menu bar next to My Leave. You should now have arrived at your leave calendar. As you can see, I have 3 leave days requested in this month. I have one that was requested on the 1st, one that's been granted on the 28th, and one that was denied on the 29th. If I want to view a different location's leave, I can go up to the top and click the arrow next to location. And from that drop-down menu, I can select a different location. Let's say I want the burrito shop. As you can see, my calendar didn't change. That's because the leave that I requested was global, so it's going to show up in any of my locations. If I had requested a location-specific leave, then that would only show up in that location's calendar. Let's say that I don't have any leave this month, but I do in a later month. I can go to the top of the calendar and click the arrow and go all the way to the month that I have requested leave. I can also click the other arrow to go backwards, or I can just hit today to return to today. If I scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you'll see the key that's explaining a green leave request has been granted, a yellow one is still requested, the manager hasn't made a decision on it yet, the red one has been denied, and the orange request has been canceled. You'll also see a chart of all of the granted leave requests. These are only the requests that have been approved. As you can see, I only have one leave request in there right now that's been approved. But as soon as my manager were to approve the others, they would be added to this chart. And that's how you view your leave in a calendar format. To learn how to cancel one of your leave requests, check out the next video.